Are you tired of feeling like you're bringing a replica of your entire wardrobe on vacation, only to realize you've forgotten half of what you need? Or perhaps you've been guilty of overpacking, lugging around a behemoth of a suitcase that barely fits in overhead compartments. Well, you're not alone. According to a survey conducted by the American Society of Travel Agents, 61% of travelers consider packing to be a significant source of stress when preparing for a trip. The anticipation of the adventure is often overshadowed by the anxiety of packing efficiently. But what if you could alleviate some of that stress and make your travels more enjoyable? Let's dive into the 8 most common packing mistakes to avoid before your next trip to make the experience as seamless as possible. This is Elite Trailblazer, travel tips that actually work. First and foremost, one of the most significant mistakes travelers make is overpacking. This doesn't just mean bringing too many clothes, it means bringing items you don't need. A study by Carefree Traveler found that the average tourist brings 3 to 4 times more clothes than they actually wear during their trip. This excess baggage not only weighs you down physically, but also mentally. When faced with an overflowing suitcase, the excitement of a vacation can quickly turn into frustration. To combat this, try adopting a capsule wardrobe approach. Limiting yourself to a small number of versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched can give you numerous outfit combinations without the bulk. This strategy not only reduces the physical weight of your luggage, but also simplifies decisions while traveling, allowing you to focus on enjoying your trip rather than worrying about what to wear. The effectiveness of this approach is well documented. According to Travel Plus Leisure, packing clothes that can be easily hand-washed and dried is a great strategy for minimizing luggage space. Opt for lightweight, quick-drying materials that can serve multiple purposes, such as a dress that can transition from a daytime look to an evening outfit. Consider also incorporating accessories, such as scarves and belts, which can elevate your look without taking up much space. Another common mistake is not considering the weather or activities of your destination. Failing to research your destination's climate and planned activities can lead to packing unnecessary items, or worse, forgetting essential gear. For instance, those traveling to a coastal area need to think about swimsuits and sun protection, while city explorers might prioritize comfy walking shoes and lighter fabrics for warmth. Proper research not only equips you with the right attire, but also enhances your overall experience. For instance, if you're planning a hiking trip in the mountains, you'll want to ensure you have proper footwear and layers for changing weather conditions. The U.S. National Park Service recommends checking the forecast before your trip and packing accordingly. This foresight allows for a comfortable and enjoyable experience rather than scrambling to find appropriate clothing once you arrive. Additionally, they suggest considering the time of year and potential weather conditions that may affect your plans. Planning can also extend to outdoor gear. Packing a reliable water bottle, durable snacks, or a compact backpack could enhance your adventure significantly. Packing an umbrella or a lightweight jacket on a trip to a typically rainy destination can save you from an uncomfortable day, ensuring that you remain prepared for the unexpected.
Inadequate use of packing tools is another mistake that can cost you valuable space and efficiency. Packing cubes, for example, are a game changer. These cubes help keep your clothes organized, making it easier to find what you need and compress your luggage to its maximum potential. According to an article by The Points Guy, packing cubes can save you up to 30% of space in your luggage. Not only do they help in maximizing space, but they also facilitate a systematic approach to packing, which can be particularly helpful when you're in a rush. The organizational benefits of using packing cubes extend beyond just clothes. They can also be used for toiletries, electronics, and even first aid supplies. Moreover, they can help avoid the frustration of digging through your entire suitcase to find that one pair of socks. Consider using color-coded packing cubes for different categories of items, such as clothes, toiletries, and electronics, to further streamline your packing and retrieval process. Additionally, reusable packing bags for dirty or wet clothes can keep your items from mixing and ensure your clean clothes remain fresh. Not having a carry-on essential strategy is another critical mistake. When packing for a carry-on, it's essential to prioritize essentials like your passport, phone charger, and medication. Ensure these items are easily accessible as they are the most crucial for your travel. The Transportation Security Administration, TSA, recommends wearing your heaviest or bulkiest items like your coat and boots to save space in your luggage, a practical tip that can make a real difference in overall pack weight. Furthermore, consider using a packing list to ensure you don't forget anything crucial. A well-prepared packing list can serve as your guiding document, ensuring you check off items methodically so nothing important slips through the cracks. By checklist-style packing, you minimize the risk of leaving behind items that may lead to inconveniences later on. Lastly, it's worthwhile to think about post-trip packing as well. Returning from a trip, many travelers often find themselves overwhelmed with unpacking. To ease this transition, establishing a post-trip system can help streamline the process. For example, designating a specific area for unpacked items can simplify organization. This approach allows you to visualize what needs to be cleaned, what can go back in storage, and what needs to be returned to your regular routine, ensuring a smoother return home and aiding in preparing for your next adventure. Being proactive not only about packing for the trip, but also for your return can enhance your travel experience as well as your day-to-day life once you're back home.
By acknowledging these common mistakes, travelers can enhance their packing strategies, leading to a more enjoyable and less stressful travel experience. The anticipation of a well-prepared journey can transform the entire vacation, allowing for more time to explore, relax, and create lasting memories. Many travelers also make the mistake of not leaving space in their luggage for souvenirs and items they might purchase during their trip. This oversight can dampen the excitement of discovering unique treasures that reflect the local culture and serve as memorable keepsakes from the experience. According to the U.S. Customs and Border Protection, travelers are allowed to bring back a certain amount of duty-free items, but exceeding these limits can result in hefty fines and unnecessary hassles. These rules vary by country and can be particularly strict in regions known for certain luxury goods or agricultural products. To avoid these complications, leave some extra space in your luggage or consider packing a foldable duffel bag for additional storage. This extra bag can be helpful not just for souvenirs, but also for the unexpected purchases that arise throughout your travels, such as clothing or artisanal products you stumble upon during your exploration. Keeping your items organized and separate from your original packing not only improves your efficiency, but also keeps your luggage manageable. Another common error is not protecting your belongings. With the rise of travel insurance and luggage trackers, there's no excuse for not taking precautions when preparing for your travels. A report by the luggage company Away found that 1 in 5 travelers have had their luggage lost or stolen at some point during their journeys. This statistic underscores the importance of vigilance and preparation. Implementing strategies to safeguard your belongings, such as using anti-theft bags, can save you from a potential disaster during your trip. Anti-theft bags are designed with features like lockable zippers, cut-resistant straps, and RFID blocking compartments, which together provide an additional layer of security against pickpockets and thieves. Furthermore, it is wise to familiarize yourself with the common theft hotspots at your destination. In bustling metropolitan centers, public transportation hubs, and crowded marketplaces, choosing your belongings wisely becomes critical. Additionally, consider investing in a good luggage tracker, which can help you locate lost bags in real time, providing peace of mind as you travel through busy airports and unfamiliar cities. These devices connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth or GPS, allowing you to monitor the location of your baggage through an intuitive app. This added security feature is particularly useful for long trips or when using various modes of transportation. Furthermore, to enhance your overall precautions, it's worth exploring the options for comprehensive travel insurance that specifically covers lost or stolen items. Such insurance plans can be reassuring, making it possible to recover lost costs should unfortunate incidents arise. Making digital copies of your important documents, such as your passport, flight tickets, and accommodation confirmations, is also a prudent measure. This digital backup allows for quick access in emergency situations, reducing stress significantly and enabling you to navigate troublesome scenarios with greater confidence. It's also advisable to store these documents in cloud services or email attachments so they're accessible from any device with internet capabilities, further ensuring their safety. Not rolling your clothes is another oversight many travelers make. This common packing method can significantly impact your overall travel experience. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them not only helps reduce wrinkles, but also maximizes the space available in your luggage and keeps your clothing more organized.
According to Travel Maven, rolling your clothes can help you fit more items in your suitcase, allowing for the inclusion of a few extra outfits or accessories without exceeding luggage limits. This simple technique can make a significant difference in the amount of space you have available. Additionally, it can be helpful to pay attention to the type of fabric of your clothes while packing. Lighter materials like cotton or blends tend to roll more compactly than heavier fabrics, allowing you to pack efficiently without compromising elegance or comfort. Furthermore, when you roll your items, consider utilizing packing cubes to maintain organization and enhance accessibility. These cubes can help you categorize clothing by type or occasion, making it easier to find what you need without rummaging through your suitcase. Packing cubes come in various sizes that accommodate different articles, ensuring that your travel gear remains well organized. Additionally, consider using items like puffed jackets or soft footwear in combination with this rolling technique, as these tend to compress better when packed in layers. By prioritizing packing efficiency, you can set yourself up for a smoother travel experience. Using compression bags can be another innovative approach, further minimizing space while also protecting your clothes from the elements. Lastly, many travelers fail to pack a portable power bank. In today's digital age, staying connected while on the go is not just a luxury, but often a necessity. With the constant use of smartphones for navigation, photography, and staying in touch with family and friends, your phone's battery can quickly drain, especially when exploring new locations where charging options may be limited. A portable power bank can be a lifesaver, especially during long flights or layovers. According to a review by CNET, a good power bank should have a capacity of at least 10,000 milliamps and multiple USB ports. This will allow you to keep your devices charged without having to rely solely on public charging stations, which can sometimes be scarce or unreliable. Incorporating a power bank into your travel gear not only ensures your devices remain operational, but also allows you to enjoy your trip without the constant worry of battery depletion. Additionally, consider the inclusion of a travel plug adapter to your packing list, particularly if you're traveling internationally. Different countries use various electrical outlets and voltages, and having the right adapter can keep your devices functional. A power bank also provides the added benefit of helping fellow travelers who might be in a pinch, fostering a sense of community and cooperation among those navigating the travel experience together. In conclusion, avoiding these common packing mistakes can make a significant difference in your travel experience, leading to greater enjoyment and less stress. By packing smart, researching your destination, and taking necessary precautions, you can ensure a stress-free and enjoyable trip. Travel isn't just about the destination, it's equally about the journey, and being well-equipped can enhance both aspects. Furthermore, by approaching your travels with a mindset focused on preparation and organization, you equip yourself not just to enjoy the places you visit, but also to revel in the adventure of exploration itself. So, the next time you're preparing for a journey, take a moment to reflect on these tips and make the necessary adjustments. Every little detail counts when it comes to maximizing your travel enjoyment. Prepare wisely, pack lightly, and immerse yourself in the journey ahead. Embracing this mindset can transform your travel routine, allowing you to savor each moment of discovery while maintaining an organized and manageable travel experience. By committing to thoughtful packing and effective strategies, you're not only setting the stage for a superb trip, you're also enhancing your capacity to enjoy every experience that comes your way. Elite Trailblazer, from airport lines to smooth landings, we've got you. Happy travels!